Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Net. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete this long name file in Windows. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for future videos. We want to delete this file, like click on delete. So Windows is unable to delete this file because the name is so long. Now how you can delete this file? If you want to rename it, you can't rename it. So the best and the easiest way, what you need to do is go to Google and search for WinRAR and download WinRAR and then install it, and already install it. So just open WinRAR. Now after this, go to that directory where your file is located. Here I'll go to property and this is the file location. Copy this, go to WinRAR, go to this top and Control V and hit enter. So it will redirect to that directory. Now remember one thing here, when you rename your file name in WinRAR, you need to know the extension of your file. So here is PDF, so I will select the PDF. So this is the file name, doc008k7. So what you need to do is just click on this. This is the file name. Look at this, it is really huge file name. Just right click on rename. Now rename it like I will say delete this. Okay, here's this, and then as I mentioned earlier, you need to know about the extension of the file and .ptf and then hit enter. So your file name will be renamed. Now after this, click on refresh. So your file is here. This one, click on it, click on delete, and your file will be deleted. This is the easiest way you can rename that file using WinRAR. So this was the quick video how you can delete long name files in Windows. So if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.